Windows 10 updates are supposed to improve your device's performance and security, but sometimes they can cause more problems than they solve. In this section, we will explain what are the common problems with Windows 10 updates and why they happen. One of the most common problems with Windows 10 updates is that they fail to install. This can happen for various reasons, such as low storage space, multiple updates in the queue, driver conflicts, and corrupt system files. When an update fails to install, you may see an error code on the screen, such as 0x800700020, 0x802404438, 0xC19001E2, 0x800700424, 0x802420006, 0x8007000E, 0x80D02002, 0x8007070, 0x800960004, 0x8008005, 0x8007000D, or 0x. These error codes can help you identify the cause of the problem and troubleshoot it accordingly. Another common problem with Windows 10 updates is that they can slow down your device's performance. This can happen because updates may require a lot of system resources to download and install, especially if they are large or cumulative. Updates may also change some settings or configurations that affect your device's performance. For example, some updates may enable or disable certain features, such as indexing or background apps. Some updates may also cause compatibility issues with your hardware or software, resulting in crashes or freezes. A third common problem with Windows 10 updates is that they can delete or hide your personal files. This can happen because updates may create a temporary folder to store the files needed for the installation process. Sometimes, this folder may not be deleted properly after the update is completed, and it may take up a lot of space on your drive. Other times, this folder may overwrite or move some of your personal files to another location without your permission. In either case, you may lose access to your important documents, photos, videos, or music. These are some of the common problems with Windows 10 updates and why they happen. In the next section, we will show you how to fix these problems and prevent them from happening again. Windows 10 updates are important for keeping your PC secure and up to date with new features. However, sometimes they can cause problems such as errors, crashes, data loss, or performance issues. In this section, I will share some tips and best practices to avoid or minimize update problems in the future. One tip is to use the Windows Update Troubleshooter, which can check for and fix any issues that prevent updates from installing properly. You can launch the troubleshooter from System-A-Troubleshoot-Other Troubleshooters. If you encounter any problems after installing an update, you can also use the troubleshooter to uninstall the update and block it from being downloaded again. Another tip is to manage your updates on your terms. You can do this by setting active hours, which tell Windows when you are using your PC and when you don't want to be interrupted by updates. You can also enable restart reminders, which will notify you before Windows restarts your PC to apply updates. You can find these options in Settings-Update and Security-Windows Update. A third tip is to use a metered connection, which limits how much data Windows can use on your network. This can help you save bandwidth and prevent unwanted updates from downloading automatically. You can enable a metered connection in Settings-Network and Internet-Your network connection. However, keep in mind that this will also affect other apps and services that use data on your network. A fourth tip is to pause updates if you want to delay them for a certain period of time. This can be useful if you are busy, traveling, or waiting for a more stable update to be released. You can pause updates for up to 35 days in Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise, or up to 7 days in Windows 10 Home. You can do this in Settings-Update and Security-Windows Update-Advanced Options. These are some of the tips and best practices that can help you avoid or minimize update problems in Windows. Remember to always back up your important files before installing any updates, and check for known issues or bugs before updating your PC. By following these tips, you can enjoy a smoother and safer Windows 10 experience.